Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be explaining about operators in Python. Let's start with the tutorial. Let us see the types of operators that is supported in Python. Starting with arithmetic operators, logical operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, identity operators, and membership operators. In this video, I will not be explaining all the operators because most of the operators are existing in programming languages like C, C++, and Java. In this video, I'll be focusing mainly on the operators that were newly added in Python. Starting with arithmetic operators, the two newly added operators are, the one is floor division, the another is power operation. What floor division does is that whenever you perform a division operation, if the result is a fractional value, then floor division returns only the integer part of the result. Let me explain with an example. If we divide 5 by 2, then we get a value of 2.5. If we floor divide 5 by 2, then we get a value of 2. That is, floor division left over that fractional value and got only the integer result. This is the difference between floor division and normal division. Let's move on to the other operator, which is power operator. Let's see power operator with an example. If 5 power operator 2, then it returns a value of 25. That is 5 square value it prints. That is power operator. Let's move on to the next operators, that is the logical operators. Logical operators exist in other programming languages, but the difference between logical operators in Python when compared with other programming languages is that in other programming languages we use symbols to represent logical operators, whereas in Python we use English words to represent logical operators. For example, the logical AND is represented using two ampersand symbols in other programming languages, but in Python we use the word AND to represent the logical AND in Python. In the similar manner, the logical OR is represented using the word OR, and logical NOT is represented using the word NOT. Let's move on to the next operators, that is the assignment operators. The assignment operators are pretty much like a shorthand notation to perform an operation. Let's see assignment operators with an example. Here I am initializing a variable I with a value of 5 and I am performing the following assignment operation. If we print the value of I now, it prints the value of 10. The internal operation is like I is equal to I plus 5. This is what the operation done by that assignment operator. That's why it is a shorthand notation for the operation I is equal to I plus 5. In the similar manner, the remaining assignment operators do the same task based on the type of operator used. Let's move on to the next operator, which is identity operators. The first operator is. The operation of this operator is like comparing the given two operands. If they are same, then it returns a value true, and the next operator is not. It is like it compares the two operands, then if they are not same, then it returns a value of true. Let me show you with an example. 1 is 1. It should return a value of true since 1 is same as 1. 1 is not 1. It returns a value of false since 1 is same as 1. so it returned a value of false. The is operator is similar to like performing equal to operation, and the is not operator is similar to like performing not equal to operation. Let's move on to the next operators, that is the final operators. Membership operators. The first operator is in and the next one is not in. The in operator evaluates to true if it finds the variable in the given sequence, or else it returns a false value. The not in operator evaluates to true if it does not find the variable in the given sequence. Let me show with an example. Here I am creating a list of numbers. We will be discussing about list in upcoming videos. Let us consider it for this example. If I check 1 in the list L, then it returns a value of true, since 1 exists in the list of numbers 1, 2, 3. So it returned a value of true. If we check 4 in L, it returns a value of false, since 4 does not exist in the list. If we check 4 not in the list, then it returns a value of true, since 4 does not exist in the list. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. In the next video we will be discussing about data types in Python. Get subscribed and stay tuned for more updates.